How to install and download Gemini, buy Bitcoin and crypto app on your device. First of all, launch the Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and make sure to log into your account. Tap the search icon at bottom right corner. Now tap the search bar. Search for Gemini and you will get Google Gemini, but when you scroll down, you will easily locate Gemini, buy Bitcoin and crypto applications on your device. You simply need to open this application and then tap the install button. You need to wait for a while until this application gets installed on your device, and later you can easily open it and create account and use this app. So basically, Gemini buy Bitcoin and crypto application is a mobile application developed by Gemini, a cryptocurrency exchange and custodian platform. The app is basically designed to offer a secure and user-friendly experience for buying, selling, and managing the cryptocurrencies. So, in this way, you can easily wait for a while and install and download Gemini applications on your device. That's all for today. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.